Hey y'all, I got some smoked chicken. The key ingredients for this here smoked chicken is. Let's go. Y'all, tell 375 for about an hour and a half. Now we on to the next phase. We got the chicken off the pig. We're gonna chop it up, chop it real fine. And then we're gonna be on to our next phase where we're gonna add in our ingredients, right? So we're gonna add some mayo, and I chopped up some bell peppers and onions, and I had some celery. And we're gonna put all of that in a bowl, and then we're gonna add on there you see it right there, the pickle relish. We're gonna add that in, and then look, your favorite sauce, season rather, barbecue seasons. Add all that in the bowl, and then put it all together, and then we gonna be on to the final step. You know what I'm saying? Stuffing these eggs, kind of like making devil eggs. You know, some people say devil eggs or stuffed eggs, but we're gonna stuff ours with some smoked chicken. I'm gonna just let you guys sit back. I could have, you know what I'm saying, went on to the next phase, but I kind of just like watching the process of this and how, you know what I'm saying, it build, and then you could just sit back, you know what I'm saying, and enjoy these smoked chicken eggs. Check it out. And there you have it, y'all. Smoked chicken eggs. Kind of like, making it the old way with the traditional tuna. And man, these things was a hit too at a family barbecue. Man, you just can't beat that smoke flavor. Man, y'all try it out and enjoy. Peace.